วัสดีค่ะ
Let's fucking go! Oh my god！ 我哋終於嚟到 Rolling Loud Thailand， 睇下呢個場今日係 Day One， Headliner 係 Cardi B。Let's fucking go！ 耶！I am from Hong Kong. ค่ะ So with your recent collab with OG Bobby, yeah, can you tell us more about the inspiration, the message?
By the time I got there, Nino was already cooking up 2 beats.
Oh,
Bobby got on the track first, and then I hop on the track, and we were done.
so smooth, everything.
Yeah, and I wanted to release it before Rolling Loud. So 2 weeks after that, I was in Thailand for the first time. Shoot the video.
Ooh.
And then a week after that, we released the video. And then a week after that,
Bomb, bomb, bomb.
we're here.
So efficient. So how are you feeling? Like it's the first Rolling Loud in Asia and in your home country, Thailand?
Yes.
Tell us about it.
Very big historic moment for Thailand. One, the rap scene for Thailand steadily growing a lot too ever since the COVID. And talking about Rolling Loud, I actually went to Rolling Loud 2018 in Miami, Florida.
Yeah.
And that was 5 years ago.
Already?
5 years later, you know what I mean?
crazy.
It's crazy. Like I don't know what to say, so you know what I mean?
This is Ramengvrl. These are my songs. I want to show like this is also Indonesia. This is what Indonesia has got to offer, and I'm just bringing you guys like just the tip. That's really what it is. I'm just showing you guys the tip of the iceberg. Yes, you know.
Now we need to book our flight ticket to Indonesia.
Let's go.
Like
let's
right
go.
now. Hảo熱啊！做線啊呢個。香港咧，我啲 crew 味唔見咗咯。喺邊度？幾次啊！好熱啊！體感40度啊！如果咧，而家呢一刻咧，太陽能發電可以即刻咧轉換為金屬咧，已經發撚咗達啦！
Coming to places like Rolling Loud and
you know, just vibing off of other artists like from all walks of life. So you know, he was mentioning F Hero, JP the Wavy, and Awich is in town from Japan. We got Ozzy, we got Jay Park, we got Jesse. You know, we got a lot of Asian artists out here. So yeah, it's definitely different from many years ago, and like an influence from, you know, all different cultures and as we are. So the more people you meet and synergize with, the more it adds to your music. So yeah.
I want to thank y'all for being a good time.
Wow, 玩完3日 Rolling Loud 真係好攰啊！我把聲已經沙晒。Alexia,
Yes.
how would you rate your Rolling Loud Thailand experience?
My first Rolling Loud Thailand experience, I would give it an 8 out of 10. The -2 is for the weather. It's too hot.
It's so hot.
But the show is even litter, so that's a plus.
It's getting hot in here. Yo, we really look forward to the next Rolling Loud.
Yes.
I hope that the next one will be in Hong Kong or maybe Shanghai.
Yes.
Peace.